Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Remote Remote. And for those who watch my vlogs, you basically know I do vlogs on workout, travel, food, chill out. And on today's episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to make healthy smoothies at home that are really gonna give you much energy to do what you do every day. And on that, you're going to use bananas, avocado, peanut, and milk. Just easy smoothies to drink at home. So welcome to the smoothie. So we'll take our milk and a cup. So for me, I'm using a cup, and we'll measure the amount we need, which is probably 2 cups of milk, because I'm making a drink for 4. And we'll add it to our blender, 2 glasses or cups. Then we'll take bananas, then you'll add your peanuts on top of it, or maybe you can first blend and then add your peanuts, whichever way you want could work. Then you can take it back here. And there goes your smoothie. It's ready to serve. So that's our first smoothie. So we've used banana, peanuts, and milk. That's simple. Yummy. Now we're through with our first smoothie, and I'm gonna show you the second kind of smoothie you can make at home. For the second one, we will use just banana, avocado, and peanuts, and that's it. Maybe you can probably add some little water to make it blend well, and that's it. Let's do it. Our smoothie is now ready to serve. I think I've made it the best way I want it, and make sure you keep checking as you make it, and you can now serve it. Oh, looks really good, and I'm sure it's yummy. Those are the 2 easy smoothies I make every time when I need to feel energetic for the day, or when I come back from the gym. Especially when I come back from the gym, this is what I quickly make and drink. And just in case you try it out, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching this video. Keep subscribing, commenting, and sharing this video with your friends. Until our next episode, thank you.